Once upon a time, in a quiet village nestled among ancient mountains, a young monk named Riku sought wisdom from his master. "Master," Riku began, "I am troubled by fear. It haunts me like a shadow, and I do not know how to escape it. How can I control my fear?" The master, an elderly man with eyes as calm as still water, smiled gently. He led Riku to a cliff overlooking a vast, mist-covered valley. The wind howled around them, and the drop below seemed endless. "Look at the valley below," the master instructed. "Does it not seem terrifying?" Riku nodded, his heart pounding as he peered into the abyss. "Now close your eyes," the master continued, "and imagine yourself standing on the edge of this cliff, without fear." Riku closed his eyes, trying to picture himself calm and fearless, but the image was fleeting, and his fear remained. The master then asked, "Is the fear within you, or is it in the valley?" Riku opened his eyes, puzzled. "The fear is within me, master. The valley is just as it is, neither fearful nor comforting. It is my mind that sees danger." The master nodded, "Exactly. Fear does not exist in the valley, it exists in the mind. To control fear, you must first understand it is a creation of your thoughts. The cliff will always be there, but it is you who gives it power over your heart." Riku pondered this, realizing that his fear was not a force to be battled, but a shadow to be acknowledged. With a deep breath, he looked at the valley again, but this time with acceptance. The fear was still there, but its grip on him had loosened. The master concluded, "Fear, like the wind, will come and go. But when you see it for what it truly is, an echo of your thoughts, you will no longer be its prisoner." From that day on, Riku learned to walk with his fear, not in its shadow, but alongside it, knowing it was nothing more than a passing breeze on his path.